Okay, well, it didn't go in, but we are out today at Nick's Mini Golf on their 21st Street location. I don't know if you've seen our last Instagram video at Nick's, but we did his newest rope course, and now we're gonna play around a mini golf, and we're gonna take you around town in Ocean City to show you some of our favorite spots to get around a putt-putt in. All right, on the second one, let's try it. Oh, just right into the rocks. We're at hole 6. I'm gonna see if I can get any better along the way. This is a difficult one. Let's give it a go. Ooh, ooh. Really thought that would be it. All right. All right. Oh. Steady. Oh, is that? I didn't even see that. All right. The water's distracting. That was for Central Reservations. We're coming up on the last hole of the course here, and the last one is a hole-in-one. If you get it, you win a free game, so we're gonna test that theory in just a minute. Let's take care of hole 17 first. We've had a great time today playing golf at Nick's Mini Golf on 21st Street. If you and your family have never been here, definitely come and sign up and play around, or sign up for the ropes course. Check out our Instagram. We've made a video on that if you're interested. And we are gonna see if I can get a hole-in-one, and we'll see you at the next course.
There's two types of people, winners and losers.
Now today we're at Ember's Mini Golf, and this is close to some of our downtown locations. Actually, one of the closest ones is right down this street, Harbortown Rental. This is a perfect location to stay and come and play some mini golf in the morning. And then you're also close to some local eateries such as Blue and Embers. And then right across the street, there's also Old Pro Golf. So you have two options for mini golf in the morning, and this is a great spot for the family to come and play. As you can see, there's a ton of families this morning getting in their tea time. This is a great spot to come in the morning because right across the street, there's also Jay's Cafe, a local eatery with coffee and breakfast sandwiches and pastries for you to get in some breakfast before or after your morning tea time. And then we also have, like I said, Blue and Embers to end your night. So if you do a little sunset tea time, you can also go up there, watch the sunset up at Embers Rooftop or right at Blue's Crab House. We are here close to 70th Street, right at Old Pro Mini Golf. This is a great outdoor course too because it's close to many of our vacation rentals midtown, but they also have a second location uptown, which are close to our vacation rentals as well. The good thing about this one though is you're right next to a little shopping center, the town center, which has Longboard Cafe, Mione's Pizza, Dunkin' Donuts, everything you and your family would need before you go play around golf. Now, although their outdoor course looks amazing with all the dinosaurs and all of the water fountains and the volcanoes, we actually have a little surprise for you. They have an indoor golf course that we're going to go check out here in just a minute in case for some reason you have a little bit of rainy weather and a cloudy day on your vacation here in Ocean City. This is a great family activity to come and do, especially when the weather doesn't pan out. So let's go check out the indoor course. This indoor golf course is amazing. They also have some snacks that you can munch on and vending machines that are close by in case you get thirsty. This is a great spot to come and play a round of indoor golf. Now the great thing about Old Pro Mini Golf Indoor is that they have this awesome arcade with a bunch of family-friendly games. They've got skee ball. You can race some cars. All right, now this is a great indoor golf course. It's year-round open, and I love to come here even in the winter months. Me and my boyfriend will come and play a round of golf. We have a little competition to see who wins. So it's a great competitive but family-friendly event. Definitely come and check out the 3 mini golf courses that I showed you today. And don't forget to book and reach out to us at Central Reservations for your vacation rental experts or vacation needs. We will definitely find you the perfect fit. See you all soon.